The other part of Darwinism, is macroevolution, and macroevolution is basically where one species develops into another, and that is, and then at the end of the day, it means that human beings came from the monkeys or the apes, and we all came from the unicell. And here lies the problem. Here lies the problem, and here lies the conflict. So if we go back to the scriptures and we say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, made it clear to us that all human beings are the children of Adam and Eve. No one can deny this. This is a fact. So this fact cannot be denied by any Muslim. And it has huge consequences to deny this fact on our hermeneutical system and our perception of ourselves and, perception of human equality and so many other things. So it is completely anti-Islamic to believe otherwise.